I am the Vanara. I destroyed this Ashokavana because I wanted to meet Ravana and warn him. Don't ever think that some Vanara is here to have some fun. I am here on an important Rajakarya. How Hanuman warns Ravana. Na Rama Bana Dharane Kshama Sureshwarapi. Do you know about the greatness of the arrow of Lord Rama? What are the other advices that Hanuman would give to Ravana? Harihi Om. Jai Shri Ram. Welcome to my SQ series. This is episode number 34, Wonders of Ramavatara. Hanuman is presented in front of Ravana, and Ravana displays his ego by not talking to Hanuman directly. Ravana tells to his minister, just check who he is. In fact, internally he was terribly scared even to talk. Normally we see this situation in the movie which portrays Ravana sitting on a high-rise throne and Hanuman makes a bigger seat with his tail and sits above Ravana. Actually, there is no such thing that exists in Ramayana. This is a typical movie gimmick. Hanuman is not bothered about Ravana sitting or standing. In fact, minister of Ravana asks Hanuman, who are you? Who sent you? And why did you destroy Ashokavana? The same thing in the Samskrita shloka. It says, Kape kutosi kasyava kimartam idrisham kritam itiritah sachavadat pranamya ramam ishwaram. When questioned by the minister of Ravana, who are you? Why are you doing this? The first thing that Hanuman does is pranamya ramam ishwaram. He prays Lord Rama, who is the Ishvara, means omnipotent, the all-knowing, all-powerful, supreme Lord Vishnu. And Hanuman starts talking, remembering the supreme Lord Sri Rama in every action is the way of life for Hanuman. He teaches us the same. Hanuman replies, I am the Vanara. I destroyed this Ashokavana because I wanted to meet Ravana and warn him. Now look at how I have made you only bring me inside the palace. And he talks to Ravana. He says, Ravana, don't think your son and the soldiers are binding me with this astra and the ropes. Not just Indrajit, even if all the Devatas and the Asuras use all their astras together, even then they cannot capture me. This is the power and the confidence that Hanuman exhibits. Astra pashai nashakyoham baddhum deva asurairapi. No one can bind Hanuman with any astras. Hanuman says, I just pretended to be bound and captured just to come and see you, O Ravana, and to warn you. How Hanuman warns Ravana. Hanuman tells Ravana that don't ever think that some Vanara is here to have some fun. I am here on an important Rajakarya. Hanuman says, Kenachit Rajakaryena samprapto smitavantikam dutoham vigneyaha raghavasya amitaujasa. Hanuman says, I have come here as an ambassador of Lord Sri Rama. Aham tu Hanuman namaha marutasya priyaha sagaram langhayityaiva tvam didriksha idhagataha. Hanuman says, Aham tu, I am the Hanuman. I am the son of Vayudeva. I have come here not to see your face, O Ravana, but to give you a earful warning. You cowardly kidnapped Sita Devi. And if you wish to live, entrust Sita Devi back to Lord Sri Rama. Despite everything, my Lord Rama would still forgive you. He is known for his Kshama Guna, forgiving all those who fall at his feet. This is the message that Hanuman gives to Ravana. He also threatens him. Na Rama Bana Dharane Kshama Sureshwarapi Virinchi Sharva Purvaka Kimutvam Alpasarakaha. He says, do you know who is Lord Rama? Do you know his greatness and his power? Do you know about the greatness of the arrow of Lord Rama? None of the Devatas, including Brahma, Shiva, dare to face Lord Rama's arrow. Nobody is capable of that. And who are you? Alpasaraka. Not even a speck of dust you are. And you think you can face Lord Rama? This is the message, the threatening message that Hanuman gives to Ravana. And what effect this message had on Ravana? What are the other advices that Hanuman would give to Ravana? Will Ravana realize his mistake? Let's find the answer in the next video. Naham karta hari karta tat puja karma chakhilam hari hi